How to restart audio driver in Windows 11. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can restart the audio driver in Windows 11, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to restart audio driver in Windows 11, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open up Device Manager. Once you open up Device Manager, if you go to the audio settings of it, which is audio inputs and outputs, here you'll be able to see a couple of the devices that you have here. So you can simply choose to right click on this device and choose to disable the device and click on yes. And after you've done that, you can right click on it and then you can also choose to enable the device. Try to update the driver just to see if you have any sort of issues as well. You can also search for updated drivers under Windows Update, and you can also try to install some of the optional updates that come with it. So this way you should be able to hopefully solve it. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.